how to set up Amazon One Link, which will make you an international affiliate essentially. So I have just googled up here Amazon Associates, and I'm going to open up the first link, affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So here, once we have opened up the website, make sure you log in into your account, and we want to hover over tools. So from the tools, we want to select One Link, which is at the very bottom. So it will show us like this. So earn globally. Now we want to click on get started. You can configure your store ID to earn from Canada, France, Germany, so on and so forth. So we want to click on get started here, and we can select to add countries because automatically it is just added for the United States. So if I click on add countries, I can simply select all and add all of these countries. So Canada, Netherlands, United Kingdom, France, Poland, Germany, Spain, Italy, and Sweden. So if I want to add them, basically I've just clicked on here, select all, and I'm going to click on next. And here you can see the operating agreements for each individual country. So if you want to read through these, and then all you have to do is click on I accept these terms and conditions and submit. And now, as you can see, congratulations, you have successfully configured your store ID to earn across Canada, France, Germany. Please review it, so on and so forth. So basically now your store can earn in all of these countries internationally. So hope this helps you out. Hope this Amazon tutorial was useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.